Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. I create this 3-minute video to provide you with tips on stir frying, so to help you to become a better and more effective stir fryer. In this video, I'm going to address hoisin sauce. A lot of people has asked me questions that how do you use hoisin sauce, or what is hoisin sauce really all about? Now, hoisin sauce actually is a very simple sauce to understand because you can actually taste the hoisin sauce and decide how you like its flavor. Next time when you have hoisin sauce, the first thing I would suggest you to do is put it on a little teaspoon and then just taste it and see what you think. Now, hoisin sauce is one of those few sauces. It's actually very similar to ketchup because you can use it as a dipping sauce as well as a cooking sauce. Hoisin sauce is probably one of the most popular Chinese sauce around the world next to oyster sauce. The flavor profile of hoisin sauce in fact has many similarities to oyster sauce. It is a sauce that has a soy sauce flavor to it. It is salty and it provides a umami flavor. But it also, most importantly, is that it is sweet. It is a sauce that provides a lot of sweetness to it. And when you taste it, you can immediately see the contrast between the sweetness, the saltiness, the umami flavor. And this is why this sauce is such a great sauce. Now, hoisin sauce is found on bottles in many restaurants as a serving or as a dipping sauce. You can use it to dip different type of ingredients. You can use also to add to the food that are already cooked and served to you on the table. However, hoisin sauce is an excellent way to introduce sweetness to a dish. So instead of adding sugar, you can add hoisin sauce. One of the most traditional use of hoisin sauce is to use it in combination with oyster sauce. When you combine it together, it will provide you almost a teriyaki-like flavor. But the nice thing about using this sauce is that you can vary the ratio between oyster sauce and hoisin sauce to create the exact flavor profile that you are looking for. You can make the dish a little bit saltier by using a lesser amount of hoisin sauce. If you want the dish to be sweeter, you can use more hoisin sauce. The best way to use hoisin sauce is to experiment with it. To try it in combination first with oyster sauce and see how it affects the flavor. Always start with oyster sauce first and taste the dish. And then you add hoisin sauce and taste the dish again. And usually do it at the end of the stir frying with the heat already shut off, so you can have plenty of time to figure out what the best combination is without overcooked food ingredients. So if you enjoyed these tips, please subscribe to this channel and I will see you tomorrow.